Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make hummus out of canned chickpeas. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need one 15-ounce can of chickpeas, thoroughly drained and rinsed. Next, grab 2 tablespoons of tahini, which gives hummus its signature creamy texture. Don't forget 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice for that essential tang, and 2 cloves of garlic, peeled and ready. Finally, have 2 tablespoons of olive oil and a pinch of salt on hand. These few items are all you need to create delicious, homemade hummus in just minutes. Now, let's get blending. Add your drained chickpeas, tahini, fresh lemon juice, and chopped garlic into a food processor. To help everything combine smoothly, pour in about 1/4 cup of cold water. Begin processing the mixture, allowing the ingredients to break down and emulsify. You'll want to scrape down the sides of the food processor bowl a few times to ensure everything is incorporated evenly. Continue blending until you achieve a thick, relatively smooth paste, which is the foundation of your delicious hummus. To achieve that wonderfully creamy texture, slowly drizzle in 2 tablespoons of olive oil while your food processor is still running. This helps emulsify the hummus, making it incredibly smooth and luxurious. Keep blending until the hummus is exceptionally creamy, almost like a thick dip. If you prefer a slightly thinner consistency, you can add 1 or 2 more tablespoons of cold water, a little at a time, until it's just right. Finally, taste your hummus and adjust the seasonings, adding more salt or lemon juice if desired. Your homemade hummus is now ready to enjoy. Carefully transfer the creamy hummus to a serving bowl. For a beautiful presentation and extra flavor, drizzle a little more olive oil over the top and sprinkle with a pinch of paprika or chopped fresh parsley. Serve this delightful dip immediately with warm pita bread, crisp vegetable sticks, or your favorite crackers. Any leftover hummus can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh and delicious for up to 5 days. Enjoy your easy, homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.